Hey, so it is early autumn, and right behind me is a Delphinium. There it is, which is a biennial. So I want to make sure that it self-seeds so that it'll come back next year. And at the tip of the stem, you can see there are no more flowers or seed pods, so they've all fallen. So it's time to snip off the dead stems. Here's a close-up of a Delphinium seed pod. Let's see if there are any seeds in there. I just crushed it. I can't tell if those are seeds or not. I don't think so, but just in case they are, we'll blow them down. Here's another seed pod. They look empty. There's a dry flower. And as you can see, it's pretty tall, but anyway, you just want to go down all the way to the bottom, and there is new growth there. So I'm just going to cut off the bent stems. See, the stems that I cut are hollow. And that's it. Hope that it comes back next year because it, like I said, it's a biennial, not a perennial. So you have to, it has to seed for it to come back. To be more precise, will come back 1 year. Maybe it won't flower the first year, then the second year it will flower. Um, but these ones are on their second year, so foxglove. I'm interrupting this program because I see the foxglove is blooming. Not only is it blooming, but there are a bunch of buds. I was not expecting that. So anyway, that's how you prune delphinium for the end of the season.